Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for luxury goods and accessories business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, uh, you can create your website from here. First, click here, see templates. So you can choose the topic from here and the type. For example, online store for luxury goods. And the topic you can choose it from here. And if the topic isn't here, you can build your own templates and create it. So let's get started from here. So first here you can type your business name, type any business name for luxury goods as you like. Here you're gonna build your home page. Build your home page section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section, so you have to try your best to attract more people, to make your website, your home page attractive. Also the product section, all the sections must be an attractive sections. So that's it. Now let's continue. Add page to your site, shop. Here you can choose the color palette. So for example this, and the fonts. You can change the font here, and any font match with your business, any font you like. So now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can choose if you wanna continue and describe something about your website, or if you wanna skip from here. I'm gonna skip. So this is your home page. You can edit it from here. Just click on it, click on edit, and the first thing here, we see this text. You can change it from here. So for example, you can type anything to attract, make your text attractive. Welcome, for example, welcome to our site for luxury goods and accessories, like this. And the background also, you can change it from here. You can choose just a simple art, or if you want to add image. So click here and select from image from here. Type for luxury goods, and accessories. So I'm gonna choose one of these here. For example, this. So that's it. Also here you can change this the text on this label. For example, you can type here shop now or order now as you like. If you want to add something in your section, just click here and you can add a text or button or an image or video as you like. If you want to add something new on your homepage, you can click here add section and you can select from here what kind of sections you can add, images or videos or menus as you like. So that's it. Also if you wanna move it this section, move it down or move it up, you can save it. Just click on this heart icon, you can duplicate it from here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the site header. So the site header, you can change the site title if you want. You can add your logo, you can upload your logo from here, and you can upload your mobile logo image. Now let's move on to the elements. You can turn this on and change the text on this label here. You can edit the social links, and you can turn this on, language switch. So that's it. You can change the view. You can make it like a mobile view like this, or like a desktop view, so as you like. So this is the global. You can go to the desktop. You can here change the header layout, the logo, any logo you want. So that's it. The width, you can change it also. And the vertical padding, the element spacing, and the link spacing. So that's it. Now let's go to the site styles. So you can change the fonts here. If you want, you can switch the fonts back. Just click on it and you can choose one of these fonts here if you want to change the fonts. You can go to the mixed fonts, mixed packs. So that's it for today. That's it for this part of this video. I'm gonna continue this business on the second video, on the second part. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and see you in the second video in the second part. So that's it.